How to cut out part of a video clip in CapCut. If any day you would like to cut out a part of a video clip just in CapCut, then this is the first video for you. First of all, you have to go to the search section on your mobile device. After you move to the search section on your mobile device, you have to search CapCut there. After you search CapCut there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very application of CapCut. After you tap on the very application of CapCut, CapCut will be launched on your very mobile device. After you launch the CapCut on your mobile device, you have to wait for a while. You can go to the option of the new project there and tap on the new project. After you tap on the option of the new project, now from there you can select any of the videos that you would like to edit. You have to select any of the videos from your mobile device that you would like to edit. So after you tap on the very type of video that you would like to edit, you have to tap on like this and go to the option of add. After you just add, you have to wait for a while until it's loaded. Now you have to go to the option of the very video and tap on it, and you can see the option of the split out there. You can also go to the option of split, and by tapping on the option of the split you can also just edit it. Otherwise you have to scroll down until you find the other options of cutting it down or any of those. Otherwise you can go back and then you can go to the option of edit like this, which is shown in the option of the scissors there. And after you go there, you have to go to the option and search there where it is shown the other kinds of option there. And I have to search all of the options since we are just going to cut out some of the parts of the video there. What we can do is we can go to the option of the transform and go to the option of the crop as well. By cropping we can crop only some of the parts, but since we are just going to cut some of the part out there, now one of the most easiest step is that we can just go to the most back section out there. We can just decrease this. We can go just like this and we can just decrease one of the video part like this, and this way we can just cut out of the part of the video clips. For example, this entire video was of 3 minutes, but I cut it to about 2 minutes or more than like that. I can also just decrease it to a very less step. For example, I have made a video of 18 seconds like this. So this way you can edit your video in CapCut. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.